how to make app icons black and white on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to make your app icons black and white or change the color of your app icons in your iOS 18, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your iOS, touch and hold an empty spot on your home screen until all apps starts jiggling. You can also touch and hold an app icon to choose edit home screen, and then tap on the edit button from the upper left corner of the screen and choose customize. Here you will have the option of customize. You can choose the customize option. Once you choose the customize, a dock-like pane will appear at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can do one of the following. You can simply choose any one of these options. So if you choose the light option, which is right here, this will keep all your app icons and widgets in their normal appearance, irrespective of whether your device is in dark mode or light mode. And if you choose the dark option, then supported app icons or widgets will get a dark appearance. Note that all other apps will not turn black because developers have the option to support a dark look for their app's icon. Or if you choose the automatic option, then the app icons and widgets will change from dark to light modes depending on which mode your iPhone or iPad is in. Or if you go with the tinted, then if you want to remove all pop colors, tap tinted and drag the slider. So you will have these kind of sliders. You can simply choose the tinted option and then you will get all of these sliders to add a desired color to all of your app icons. The top slider allows you to pick a tint, while the bottom one is for adjusting its intensity. If you drag the bottom slider app the way to the left, it will make your app icons black and white like this. Or if you slide that to the right, then you will have this kind of interface. You can also tap on the color picker tool, which is here, and then drag it over one of these spots on your wallpaper to match the app icons to that color. Furthermore, you can tap on the sun icon, which is on the left side, and settle for a dark or light appearance. This is available in both dark and tinted styles. So in this way, you will be able to change the color of your application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.